Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix if you cannot receive calls on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Sound and Vibration and click on Do Not Disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off Do Not Disturb. After turn off Do Not Disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on Settings App, scroll down to and click on System and click on Reset Phone and click on Reset All Settings. Click on Reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So you will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so remove SIM tray and clean with the help of tissue paper. After clean, insert SIM card, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if you cannot receive calls on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.